Hello everyone, I'm just giving a quick demonstration how ChatGPT helps us in day-to-day tasks. So I have a string over here, Dali Salvador, and it's my string, but the problem is the last should be the first name and first name should be the last name. Another problem is there are some additional white spaces I don't need. I need just only one space between the two names. Another problem is that there is a comma separated. I don't need that comma. And lastly, the both the names should have capital letter at first. So let's see how to do it. So I have written a prompt that is my string. I want the last name, first name, and the first name last. So also I want to remove the extra white space and comma from 8. Also want both the name both the name should start. Let's see how the prompt actually replies us. Okay, so that is the code I am getting. So what I have done, I have just customized that code in my code, and you can see first I have splitted it and removed the comma and extra additional space after it, and then reversed it, and then join, and then I have like made everything, every letter is to lowercase, and then the first letter I have made to uppercase, and then replace the comma and additional space from here. So that is how actually ChatGPT is helping us in day-to-day tasks. And if ChatGPT was not there, it would take me like 10 to 15 minutes to figure out how to exactly do it and test it. But it took only like 4 to 5 minutes for me. So thank you everyone.